What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we finna go ahead, take a look and see what the difference is between a real Trijicon and a fake one. Alright, let's check them out. Alright, so off the top, we can see one difference. Alright, the real Trijicon comes in pretty nice box, and it's called the SRO. This is a SOTAC, and it does say SRO on it. It does. Let's see if that'll come into focus. SOTAC SRO. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Let's get these boxes here so you can see it. So, like I said, the boxes are completely different. Let's go ahead and open up this Trijicon box. And as you see, the Trijicon just sits in there. That's exactly how it sits in when you open up your Trijicon box. And this SOTAC SRO. Alright, here it is. We got our little silica gel. Let's sit that off to the side. And they have it in a little Ziploc bag. Alright. So we have a Glock mount. We have the Allen wrenches and adjustment tools. We have a battery, and we have a cleaning rag, and that is it. Now, I've previously opened this up, so I've actually taken the battery out of this one, but we had an extra battery. We have tool and screws, manual and stuff up under the padding with the real Trijicon. So let me sit all of this stuff to the side, and let's go ahead and open up the little 20 right here. Alrighty. So we have the SRO. Now, just to let you know, this thing cost me, I think it was $52. $52 plus shipping. No. Actually, it was $52 and free shipping. All right. So let's take a look at this. Yes, there are some definite differences. For one, this thing has a Picatinny mount on it. And the real one does not come with a Picatinny mount on it. And here, let me show you this. Let me get these in. Can you see that? The fake one has Trijicon painted on it, and the real one has like a raised lettering, and the real one has a ridge on the top, whereas the top of the fake one is smooth. And let's see. I mean, they really did good on as far as putting the paint markings identical. And let's see, let's look on the other side. Let's see. Yeah, they did it where it does have the, as far as the adjustments, the buttons look the same, but there is no getting around the fact that they painted Trijicon on it. They painted it on it, whereas the real one has raised lettering and a ridge on the top. No ridge on the top, and it is painted. So, you know, that is a definite difference. So let's go ahead and let's see, did it come with a battery in it? No, it did not come with a battery in it. Let's go ahead, put the battery in it. Now, we have the same placement for the battery. I didn't know if this was going to be fake as well, but it doesn't look like it is. It is the actual place for the battery. So let's go ahead and put this battery in here. Alrighty. Let's put this battery in there and screw on back down. This is another difference. The real one has a rubber seal around the battery cover. This does not. This does not have the rubber seal on it. Alright, let's screw this back down. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright. Now I can see the dot good. I will say that. I can see the dot good. Let's turn the real one on. Now, hold on. There is a difference in the dots. Hold on. Let me come around so I can show you guys. And also, with the real one, I don't know if it's translating through the camera. The real one has like a greenish tint to it, where this is just all red. All red. This has kind of like a greenish tint over here. No green tint on the fake one. Alright, there's the dot on the fake one. There is actually, hold on. There is no contest in the dots. And I have both of them turned all the way up. Both of them are turned all the way up. And yeah, there is no comparison. No comparison when it comes to what the dots look like. Yeah, you guys see that? Fake one, real one. So, yeah. There is a big difference. There is a big difference. And, you know, without turning it on, I mean, just the raised lettering on the real one and the ridge on the top gives it away whether or not you're looking at a fake one. Real ones don't have Trijicon painted on it. Does not have Trijicon painted on it. Alright, let me go ahead and mount this. Let's see what it looks like mounted. Here's another difference. Real one, fake one. Real one has a silver base plate, fake one, black base plate. But the holes match up good. Everything is shaped the same. Actually, no, it is not. Real one has smooth edges right here. Fake one has chiseled edges. See that? smooth edges versus chiseled edges. So let's see, what gun am I going? Here, I'll put it on this one. We'll put it on the Canic Blackout. Put it on the Canic Blackout. Let me take this side off of it. All right, we got that off. Now let's put this one on here. All right, we done had to have a change of plans. All right, so with the Canic, this would not seat in on the bottom right here, and it almost seemed as though I had to Dremel out the bottom of it. So with the Echelon, it has different set pins that are kind of set at an angle. So I decided to try it on the Echelon instead of the Canic, and it went right on to the Echelon. So now I have it on the Echelon. So there we have the fake SRO, and hold on just a second. All right, and here we have the real one. We have the real one. Fake one has the paint, like I said. Real one has the raised lettering. Fake one, it has a very dim dot, and now that I've put it on here, you can see the curvature of the glass. When you look through and look at the dot, you can definitely see the curvature of the glass. And it's kind of aggravating, to be honest. Real one, you have this ridge right here. Fake one, smooth over the top. Smooth over the top on the fake one. So, you know, just have those things in mind when you're looking at these, and just realize if it's painted on, fake. If it has raised lettering, that's one part of the real puzzle. There's one part of the real puzzle, because I'm not sure if they can make the fake ones with the raised lettering or not. You know, so, but I will say that the quality of looking through the dots, night and day. There is absolutely no comparison when you look through them. And if you never look through a real one, then maybe you'll never know how good a real one is. But once you look through a real one, you will never, ever want to look through a fake one again. ever want to look through a fake one again. All right. So there's a comparison. That's the fake Trijicon, the $50 Trijicon SRO, set beside the real deal. Set beside the real deal. All right. So hit me in the comments. Tell me your thoughts. Tell me what you think. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit that like and subscribe. And make sure you hit them notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.